all the carbon dioxide we produce doesn't stay forever in the atmosphere. It's continually being absorbed by the world's oceans. As the concentration in the atmosphere rises, so the oceans take up more. And this could lead to another of those tipping points. Marine biologists like Steve Widdicombe are now becoming concerned about the impact this is having.
Now that carbon dioxide does not stay up in the atmosphere. Almost half of it is dissolving into the oceans. The result of that is that our surface oceans are becoming more acidic.
When carbon dioxide dissolves in water, it raises the acidity. And that could be lethal for many of today's sea creatures.
If we look under here, what we have here is an animal that's very common to our shores, a beautiful animal. This is a sea urchin. So this poor creature is going to be hit in two ways. Firstly, the acidity of the ocean will mean that its shell will dissolve. And secondly, the chemicals it requires to build that shell are going to be in short supply. Here we have another animal which is actually closely related to the sea urchin. This is the spiny starfish. And the kind of effects that could have on animals such as the starfish and the sea urchin could be that the animals have difficulty in creating their skeletons. They will also have difficulty in feeding and reproducing.
Acidification poses a threat not only to individual species, but to an entire food chain. Plankton are floating plants and animals, some of which are microscopic in size. But they're so numerous that when they bloom, they can be seen from space. Acidification could decimate plankton, which is food for a variety of fish, and they, in turn, are food for larger and larger marine species. This could even affect the largest mammals on Earth. The effects of acidification could be felt far beyond the oceans. Millions of people around the world rely on marine life for their survival.